So people, let's now start the car up. So hello people, this is Moscarblog and today I have this amazing Lamborghini Huracan Performante with me. This car is owned by Sunat.ko, I will put his name here. This car has the color Red Mars. It looks like a proper supercar, and it has also the matching red carbon ceramic brakes, the center lock wheels in red, and we have these Performante Italian stripes. This car has a naturally aspirated 5.2 V10 which has a golden cover to it. This is exclusive for the Performante. This is the same engine like in the R8 or the normal Huracan, but here it is tuned to 640 horsepower and to 600 Newton meters. The normal one has only 610 horsepower and 560 Newton meters. What makes the Performante special is that it has less weight. It weighs only 1400 kilograms. We have the Performante exhaust here, which looks like on the SVJ. We have the forged carbon here everywhere on the car, also on the interior. We have the ALA system, which is basically air entering here and exiting through the spoiler for more downforce and aerodynamics. So this is the engine bay of the Huracan Performante. We have the gold V10. This is exclusive for the Performante. Everything here is also in forged carbon. We have lightweight glass, the forged carbon here, and this is how the ALA system works. The air comes inside from here and it goes here through the wing and exits through these flaps. So let's now jump inside and take a look. So on the inside we have here this matte black accents, the Huracan dorsal also in forged carbon here, Alcantara everywhere inside. Look at it, everywhere, the seats, the roof, the dashboard, and it's everywhere forged carbon and Alcantara. This looks really amazing, and we have Performante written on the seats. I forgot to tell you about the ALA system at the front, which works at higher speeds. These flaps here open up and give you more drag. So now let's jump on the inside and show you the car from the inside. So people, let's now start the car up. And it sounds seriously amazing. Even though we are in Strada, the comfort mode, the street mode in Italian, Strada, and you engage the gear through this, the right pedal. You pull it up one time, and now we're in the first gear. So let's go now and drive to the Autobahn. So we have here the Alcantara steering wheel with the red 12 o'clock mark, like the exterior color, forged carbon everywhere here, and here red stitching. It's an absolute nice place to be, really high quality. The suspension is hard, but it's not so hard like you would expect. It's absolutely okay to drive, even though this is a Performante. Okay, now you're feeling it, that it's really hard. So let's now put it into sport to hear some more sound. The gauge cluster changes, it becomes orange, and it pops and bangs. So let's now pop it into Corsa, and the Corsa you have to shift manually and the gauge cluster changes. So let's go. Oh my god. God, it sounds amazing and it's so fast. so loud.